I, Wolfgang, will dissect the basic musical symbols to reveal the atomic secrets of composition, proving even genius must start with simple ABCs before conquering the symphony. Welcome to the very first lesson of the Mozart Masterclass. I know. We must endure the foundations. It's like eating your vegetables before you get to the glorious sacerdote. But trust me, you need to understand the building blocks if you ever hope to create a palazzo of sound.
Introduction: the necessity of notes.
Let's get these boring basics over with. Notes, they are just the letters. I write the poetry. You can't spell magnificent without the MAG, can you? Well, you can't spell Symphony No. 40 without CG and a whole lot of dramatic minor key work. Just remember, these are the servants to your genius, not the masters. The staff and the clefs. Now, look at the battlefield where the notes live. The staff. 5 lines. Not nearly as complicated as balancing my personal budget, thank goodness. If you can count to 5, you can read music. And then we have the clefs. The treble clef? That's for my high notes, my dazzling piano passages, and my ever-present ego. It's the highest voice in the room, naturally. The bass clef? That's where the grumpy cello players and the serious bassoons live. It's the foundation, the earth, the part of the music that keeps the structure from floating away into the stratosphere with my brilliant high melodies. I leave in description a present for you, the link to download for free the full set of staffs for free. So you do not have excuses, you must start to compose and write music.
Notes in the keyboard.
Next, the names. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. 7 little steps. Honestly, they named it after the alphabet. Zero imagination. If I had been in charge, they would be named after famous desserts. But alas. Now, look at the keyboard. Black and white, very dramatic. It's the visual map of all sound. Your homework, if you choose to accept it, is simple. Learn your Cs. C is the leader, the anchor, the note you always return to when you're completely lost. Make middle C your best friend, because if you can't find that, you certainly can't find an orchestra pit.
The drama of accidentals.
This is where we stop being dull. We add the spices, we add the drama. I speak of sharps and flats. A sharp raises the note. It gives it a little boost, raises the tension, and makes the music slightly dangerous. It's like giving the violin section an extra shot of espresso. A flat lowers the note. It brings the mood down, makes things melancholy, and prepares us for a nice, long, tragic sigh. These little symbols are not accidents. They are essential tools for a composer who wants to control the audience's emotions. They make the music exciting and, frankly, much more fun to write.
Assignment and conclusion.
That is enough complexity for one day. Your assignment is simple, mandatory, and due immediately. Go practice finding middle C on any keyboard you can find. If you can identify the treble clef, the bass clef, and find a sharp, you have survived your first lesson with genius. Now, go. I have a whole course of incredible music theory to share, and we must not waste time on the basics. But before to leave, do not forget to subscribe, leave a like, and comment below. And if you want to support the channel, you can even become a member of the channel. In description, you can find the link to buy the book on my Requiem and its mysterious completion.